Today I'm going to show you how to delete an account using Zoho CRM in n8n quickly and in just a few simple steps. If you're building automations in n8n and need to remove an account record from Zoho CRM, this is the exact process to follow. It's a useful workflow if you want to keep your CRM clean, remove old test records, or automate account management as part of a larger system. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more n8n automation guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside n8n. This is important because you need to edit the exact automation where the Zoho CRM action will happen. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel and look for Zoho CRM. You can usually add it by searching in the node list, then selecting the Zoho CRM integration node. After adding the node, you'll see a list of available actions. From there, choose Delete an account. This is the action that tells n8n you want to remove an account record from Zoho CRM. Next, configure what to delete. In most cases, this means selecting the correct account identifier or mapping the account data from a previous step in your workflow. Make sure the data you choose matches the exact account you want removed, because once the workflow runs, that account will be deleted from Zoho CRM. Take a moment to review the settings carefully and confirm everything is pointed to the right record. When the configuration looks correct, save your node and test the workflow if needed. That way, you can make sure the delete action is targeting the right account before you run it in a live automation. And that's it. You've now set up Zoho CRM in n8n to delete an account. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.